Hello and thank you for watching this video. Today I'm gonna change air filter on my 2007 Toyota Solara. This has a 6-cylinder 3.3 on a Toyota, which the Toyota also has the Toyota Camry. To change the air filter, all you need is your wrench and a 10mm socket. And basically what you need to do is take out this screw right here, and there's another one right on the other side right there. Once you take those two off, you can lift this part and you can either slide the air filter out, or you can pull this, lift it, and you can take the whole thing off. But if you do take the whole thing off, then you have the risk of taking this off or the hoses off. So it's just basically easier just to lift it enough to take the air filter out. So let's unscrew these first. But I have already unscrewed both sides. The screws themselves are not gonna come out, they stop right there. That makes it easier for you not to lose them in the engine or somewhere in there. For the right side, I used an extension. It makes it a lot easier from here than to try it with the smaller extension. So once you do that, once they're both unscrewed, you can lift this and you can see the filter right here. And all you have to do is pull it out. Once you pull it out, you can tell that it doesn't look dirty, but if you look at it a little bit closer, it is. Because if you compare it to the new one, the old one looks gray. Now, so you know how to put it back the right way, I just pulled this one off, and I just pulled it off from here like that. And on the corners are round on those two sides, this side, except this side. This side is not as round as the other two, the other three. This side goes here. See how dirty it is on this side? Then if you can compare it to the new one, it's dirty. It's not easy to put it in there the wrong way because of this edge. So once you slide the new one in there, make sure that side does not come unhooked from here. And the way you'll notice is if you pull it up, it doesn't come up. But if you unhook it from there, then it does. So make sure when you put it back, it's in there and you can't lift it from there. So now I put it in there, and as I was trying to get it in there, I pulled this a little bit hard enough that this hose came off. So make sure you put that in there. And this hose looks old too, so I'm gonna have to replace this small hose because there's a little hole here. So make sure you put everything back the way it was. And all you have to do is put those back in. That's it.